Hi, I'm Curly Sue and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be making raisin bread. Now I love bread, but bread doesn't really love me as much as I love bread. So what I've been doing is, instead of having regular bread, I've been eating Ezekiel bread. But during the lockdown period, it's not been as easy to get Ezekiel bread as I would like to. So if you're watching from the Ezekiel bread people, please send me some bread. I really want some. But today's recipe is raisin bread. It's really quick, it's really easy, you don't have to wait for it to rise and all that, and it's really soft inside as well. And if you don't like raisins, you can switch out the raisins for whatever else you want. You can use raisins or sultanas or other dried fruits, it's up to you. So just before I show you how to make it, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so you'll see lots of nice tasty videos just like this one. And don't forget to comment in the comment section below. What sort of bread do you like making, and if there's any other bread that you would like me to make as well, because I can make different kinds of bread, comment in the comment section below and I'll be more than happy to add that to my list of recipes coming up. So now let's go and make raisin bread. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to click and subscribe down here. Where is it? Yeah, it's down there. Don't forget to hit that red button and subscribe, and don't forget to comment in the comment section below. And if there's any other recipes you'd like me to make, please comment in the comment section below and let me know, and I'll add it to my list and see if I can get around to making it just for you. Eat good, eat clean, eat blessed. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.